the ultimate liquid gold. I call it sweet, salty, sour dipping sauce. This sauce is perfect for spring roll, egg roll, bánh chao, num cruộc, grilled fish, baked fish, grilled chicken, baked chicken. This sauce is perfect for lettuce wrap with herbs or any dish that you prefer to use it as a dipping sauce. The recipe is 6 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of fish sauce, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of distilled water, and mix everything together and put in a jar. Easy breezy. All set. Just keep it in the refrigerator. It's good up to 6 months to a year.